What's up, Group Monkeys? In the next few training videos, we're going to go over how to use webhooks with Group Monkey. But before we get into going over how to actually use webhooks and how to get it set up all using Group Monkey, I first just want to give you a little explanation of what is a webhook. So this is technical stuff. A lot of people don't understand the technical stuff. So I'm going to give you like a layman's term explanation. A webhook is basically a URL on the internet. A URL is like google.com or facebook.com. That's a URL. So it's basically a website address. And a webhook is basically a website address that you can actually send data to, and then that webhook will actually receive that data, and it may actually do something with that data or allow you to use that data. So for example, if you have a CRM, a lot of CRMs provide you with webhooks where you can actually send data to that webhook, and you can get the data inside the CRM by just sending it to the webhook. If you use automation platforms like Zapier or Integromat, which are the two platforms that we're going to cover in the next few training videos, you can also set up webhooks so that you can do all your automation. So your webhook will essentially be a trigger. Zapier or Integromat will give you a specific URL, and then you can send data to that URL, and anytime that URL receives data from you, it can start your automation and start automating stuff for you. So now hopefully you have the basic idea of what a webhook is. It's just a URL on the internet that you can send data to. So in these next two videos, we're going to go over the two biggest platforms for automation on the planet, and I'm going to show you how to actually set up webhooks with those platforms and use the Group Monkey webhooks.